All right, what's up guys? Today we're at the CrossFit gym again, doing another video all about working out with a hair system, what it's like, things that you can expect. I'm gonna show you how hard I work out, just to show you, once again, really anything is possible. You don't have to be afraid of doing anything in life. Working out, hiking, rock climbing, snowboarding, working your office job, whatever. So we're about to get into it. Hey guys, real quick, this video is actually sponsored by LaVivid Hair. They're the ones that make it possible for me to continue delivering this content. LaVivid Hair has some great customer service. They're gonna help you find a product that's right for you. And yes, they may be short on some product right now, but they're always gonna look after your best interests. Check them out. Jake15 is my code. It's gonna get you 15% off anything that you want, which is gonna save you probably 30 to 50 bucks, if not more, on a single system. Now back into the video. The workout today is the first workout is 16 minutes long. Every minute on the minute we change moves. The first minute is 12 GHDs. The second minute is 3 ring muscle ups. The third minute is going to be 25 feet of handstand walking. And then the fourth minute is rest. We're gonna do that for 16 minutes. After that, we're gonna follow that with a ladder that I'm gonna post here on the screen. It's super complicated and I've honestly forgotten it, but we'll be going into that and I'll show that to you next. Let's just jump in. 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, yeah, just getting home from the workout. It was a doozy today. Oof. Once again, guys, you know, when it comes to hair systems, you can really do anything you want. You can do super intense workouts. You can live in the heat and the humidity. Once again, I'm in Florida, and most of the year it's around 80 to 90 degrees down here. Very, very hot, very humid, and still just pushing it to the limit. You saw probably how sweaty I was getting inside of that workout. I mean, that was like 30-40 minutes just non-stop of very, very intense cardiovascular and weight training non-stop. Down here, you know, things are at their max. Things are, you're pushing those adhesives to their absolute limit, and they're still performing. Once you get the right one for you and you get the right hair system, it's really game over. You can do whatever you want, and it's not really an issue whatsoever. So the one thing I will say though, just to repeat it for those who haven't heard it or don't know this fact, if you do work out, if you do a lot of exercise, and you know, you're heating up the bond, the adhesive between your scalp and the hair system, you know, it is going to be less solid for a little bit until it kind of cools down. And what you'll notice is it might slide around a little bit, or it could potentially move around a little. And I'm not talking about anything. See, like right now, mine is actually it's loose, like I'm talking about, because it's heated up, right? So chemically, it's actually a little bit more, it's a little less solidified. Right now, I'm pulling on it, and you know, there's a little bit of give. And what I mean by a little bit of give is probably like, you know, maybe 1/8 of an inch that it's pulling back, that I can pull back like this, because it's moved around a little bit. Not much at all. It's not anything that I ever worry about as far as like it coming off. Never ever worry about that. But it's just a little bit less solid, and you know, you could potentially like peel your hair system a little bit easier. Like, this is so unlikely that you'd ever do anything like this, but like after a workout, you know, if you were to just like completely like try to lift the front of the system up, you know, it's possible that it would allow the front of the system to come up. Like if you did that in front of somebody, I'd recommend you don't, you know, like grab your hair and kind of like pull it back. Like there's nothing wrong with running your hands through your hair. As you can see, I'm running my hands through my hair right now, and it's fine. But I don't recommend like grabbing the unit and pulling it up. Other than that though, you're gonna be fine. It's not gonna be anything to worry about. You can do anything you want in a hair system, guys. Anything you want. You can work out like crazy. Guys, thank you so much to LaVivid for sponsoring this video. Once again, showing that you can do whatever you want. And we will see you soon.